Forms, found under the Content section of the admin, allows the creation of a wide range of input forms, from standard inquiry forms, mailing list subscriptions, event registrations, and even payment collections. Clicking Add New Form, you can create a new form item and give it a descriptive name. Configure the form fields by selecting available system fields from the list and/or create custom fields. I'm going to add first name and phone system fields and a custom field for subject. Fields can be reordered simply by drag and drop, and further configured by selecting a field and adjusting its settings, making sure to save after changes. You also have full access to the form markup via the Edit Layout tab, allowing you to customize your forms to your own needs, such as for Bootstrap or Foundation markup requirements. But if you make a mess of things too much, you can always restore the layout to default or add individual fields markup via the Form Fields Manager, which is handy if you've now added new fields to the form configuration but have already customized the layout, as it can't automatically update your layout to include any newly added fields. Further settings allow you to enable workflow notification, which are system emails sent to the admin users or other email addresses, notifying them of any form submissions. Also, whether the form will subscribe the user to any secure zones, and if the auto response email is to be enabled. If enabled, the auto response email, which is sent to the user immediately after submitting the form, can be configured with an email template, email headers, and body content, which supports liquid markup and adding dynamic form submission details, as well as most other CRM content via component tags. Click Save or Done to finalize the form configuration. To insert your form onto a page or any other location, navigate to the item in the admin. In this case, I'll add it to the contact page. Then use the Component Manager to configure the liquid component tag that will render your form. Existing forms can also be easily duplicated or edited to add new fields, remove fields, or change their configuration and settings, just as we did before.